AquaRise is a thermoplastic piping system that includes pipe, valves, fittings, and solvent cements for use in hot and cold potable water applications for industrial, commercial, and high buildings. AquaRise was created as an alternate to traditional copper and metal systems for use in domestic water applications for both combustible and non-combustible buildings. Most common installations include office buildings, apartments, hotels, all the way through to healthcare facilities and industrial buildings. AquaRise is available in 1/2-inch to 4-inch diameter pipe, valves, and fittings. The AquaRise lines of cements include a 1-step, all-in-one primer and cement for 1/2-inch to 2-inch diameter pipe and fittings. We also offer a 2-step separate primer and cement for 2.5, 3, and 4-inch diameter pipe and fittings. Unlike metal piping systems that pit, scale, and degrade over time, AquaRise's thicker walls and corrosion resistance offer years of consistent flow. AquaRise is a strong, highly engineered, cost-effective improvement over metal piping and provides material and labor savings while still meeting the required standards. For more information, refer to the AquaRise technical manual or contact IPEX directly. Visit us at ipexaquarise.com.